Welcome to Trainer Diaries. One trainer, one moment, one shift. As you listen to our next trainer, focus on what changed, not just what happened. So let's begin. Over to you, Reena. A little bit about yourself.
Thank you, Radhika. Thank you for this platform. Um, I am Reena, and I'm a trainer. I've always been, a very confident speaker, and I want always wanted the spotlight on me. But then, and I always tried impressing people, and that was a habit, probably out of nature. I don't know, but it was me. And I would like, before I even start with what I had experienced, I would like to ask you all that have you ever tried to impress people? I mean, just raise your hand. I have. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So we have been trying, and we have done, probably there are a lot of things that we have done, right? There was a moment, and the day I stopped trying to impress and started trying to serve, right? And this moment came a little later because, as I told you, I always tried to be in the spotlight, and I always wanted to impress. Yeah. So since I figured out that how to sound confident. As I told you, my sessions as trainer was smooth. My delivery was gradually polished, and I knew how to engage a room, or at least I that's what I thought. Like, I engaged people. As I told you, I was confident. So I remember one particular session where everything looked right, it looked perfect to me. People were nodding, activities were running, there were a few laughs here and there, and everybody was like, as I told you, I always wanted to be on the spotlight, was towards me. But at the end, it was a feedback time. And the feedback that I got was average. Uh, One line stood out of that all feedback that I had got. Good session, but I'm not sure what I'll actually do differently tomorrow. I mean, my session didn't make any difference to people. They enjoyed probably the session, but it didn't serve them. It didn't change anything in them. So that hit me. And I realized something uncomfortable. I felt I had been trying to impress the room, not to serve it. And I was focused on how I was coming across. There was nothing which I thought of people who were around. I didn't think what they were taking away. The next session, I tried something different. I simplified my content. I cut down what I wanted to say, and I focused on what they needed. I asked more questions. I listened more carefully. I adapted in the moment, and something shifted. Right? There was, of course, less performance, but more connection, less information, but more clarity, probably. Yeah. And there was less applause because, as I always tried to impress, I had the best thing to say, and people used to applause. But now there was less applause, but more action. Right? That day, my definition of a good session changed. So it was no longer about how well did I deliver, right? So it became from me to them, like how useful was this for them. Since then, I have carried a simple shift in mindset. I don't enter a room to prove something. I enter a room to solve something. And that has quietly changed everything about how I show up as a trainer. Thank you.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Excellently put. How you felt, what you felt, and how you managed to overcome it was amazing. So, my question, Reena, is that I just had this thought when you were talking. If a fresher trainer is listening to this, what inner posture would help them most?
Uh, well, I would say don't try to stand out. Try to be useful. Yeah. People remember what helps them, not what impresses them. So I would just advise them that try to be useful to others, and try to give your best to serve others, not to be in the spotlight.
Absolutely. So, what do you call? Yes. Kalpana, Smita, any questions for Reena? Smita?
Reena,
Yes, yes, I would like to. Okay, you
okay.
continue. Okay,
Uh,
chalo. Reena, please tell me one invisible credibility that have strengthened your motive of being what you are today.
Yeah, I think, as I told you from my experience, that not spotlight but service creates deeper impact than performance. Service creates deeper impact than performance, and there should be clarity over complexity. We might say big things, which which is very impressive to listen, but not easy to understand. So, but there can be small inputs that you can give, which has clarity, which will definitely help people. So, clarity over complexity. That's what I would, the credibility which I would like to tell.
Absolutely true.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
thank you.
Kalpana?
Yeah. Reena, um, what exactly did you change in the content, you know, to ensure that the audience became more important than you, the participants became more important than you?
Yeah, there were so many things which I tried. As I told you, I stopped impressing. I tried to be useful. I, of course, made my content very simple so that they understand and that content is useful to them. I tried to be of, I felt the service. It is more impressive than the sort of impressive performance that you give. So I changed few things, as I told you. It did make a difference.
All right.
Right. So, what did this moment teach you about earning trust rather than demanding attention?
Yeah. um, there is always a time when we should pause and think that and reconnect with audience. So um, can I just have your question again?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. So, my question was, um, this moment that you're talking about,
Yeah.
what did this moment teach you about earning trust rather than demanding attention?
Yeah, this moment, it did teach me that we have to build a connect and trust with the audience, rather than, and if that is built, we don't need to demand attention. It will automatically be on us. Yeah.
Yes. Right. So, one piece of advice that you would give to our audience
Yeah,
before.
I would just tell them that don't impress, try to connect.
Absolutely. Perfect. That was indeed wonderful, Reena. Thank you so much. And how do I put this? Uh, how, credibility is built like this. You know, uh, it's quiet, it's consistent, and over time, the more you go through all these incidents, the more you become mature, and the more we immediately know what to do and what not to do.
That's
And
true.
the biggest thing that we realize is what not to be bothered about, you know. So yes, audience, once you finish seeing this video, do drop in our comment box what stayed with you. And thank you so much for being here with us. Thank you so much for being a part of our trainer diaries. I'll see you next month with an amazing grand trainer showdown. It's a sign out from me, Radhika Godha. Bye bye. Thank you so much, Reena.